With Freeman, I'm trying to take a new step forward towards a new career direction. That's the very big thing for me.
My name's Emily Marks. I'm originally from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I am a lieutenant commander and active duty officer in the U.S. Coast Guard.
The Freeman experience literally opened a new professional career in my life. When I decided to pursue a new program or degree in the United States, I would like to start with a Master of Finance program.
I'm Madeline Main, and I'm a board-certified pediatrician. I am a clinical executive in a major healthcare company. I am a mother of 2.